Oh, howdy. Didn't hear you come in. Greetings and welcome to Ask That Guy with the Glasses. Who would you rather be president? The Liquid Terminator from T2, Gumby, or Papa Smurf? That's a very good question. I would imagine the Liquid Terminator from T2. I say this because he is most likely the most intimidating of the bunch. If anyone has a problem with any of his policies, he kills them, which is all politicians want to do anyway. I wouldn't vote for Papa Smurf because anyone who fathers an entire race of people is disgusting, and I wouldn't vote for Gumby because he's an anti-Semite. Not too many people know that. He thought the invasion of Poland and the creation of the Third Reich was just an appetizer. An appetizer of death. Yes. Who would win in a fight between a lion and 1,000 bees? In that kind of battle, I believe everybody wins. I lost my remote control. Do you know where it is? Certainly. It's right here. But it's mine now. I have a problem. There's a stranger out to find me, and I'm pretty sure there's danger right behind me. What should I do? What to do is just grab onto some technologically advanced home security systems. That should keep you safe for a while. Endearing. How many miles per gallon do you think Optimus Prime gets? The fact of the matter is that Optimus Prime doesn't use gasoline. He runs on the blood of non-Christians. It's quite terrifying, really. This is that guy with the glasses saying there's no such thing as a stupid question until you ask it.